Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to create a community in Roblox. In order to do so, first off, here we are on the Roblox website. There's a couple ways of going about this. If you are on the website, then at the left-hand side you'll find the menu here with the three lines. If you click on that, you're going to see an option here that says Communities. We can select that. And then on the next page, you can see where you can create a community. So we can go ahead and click on that. And now we can name our community. We can add a description. We can even add an emblem. We can set it to anyone can join or manual approval. I do note here that in order to create a community, you do need to spend 100 Robux. So you are going to need some Robux in order to do this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual application itself. And you can see here that if you look on the side, let's go ahead and select Party. So it's not going to be there, but under More, we will find Communities. So this is the second place that you can find that. So we'll go ahead and select Communities. And here we have a similar screen. We can either find a variety of communities or we can create our own community. So we can click Create Community here. And then from there, you can name your community. You can add a description. You can add an emblem. Change whether anyone can join or it requires manual approval, and then once you're ready to go, you can select here, and it is going to cost 100 Robux in order to do this, but that is how you create a community in Roblox. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.